Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Python and verifying it runs. Use sudo with your distro's package manager to install Python 3, then run Python 3 version so you confirm the interpreter is available. Once done, install pip via the distribution package or Python 3m ensure pip so you can add packages. Make sure to check which Python 3 binary is on path, because that determines which interpreter you'll invoke. This first step prevents permission headaches later and gets you ready to run code immediately. You now create an isolated environment because virtual environments keep dependencies predictable. Run Python 3m venvenv, then source env/bin/activate. Once activated, pip installs go only into the env. After that, install requirements with pip install r requirements. txd so your project has the right libraries. To run code, call Python 3 script. Py, or make the file executable with a shebang hash. /usr/bin/env Python 3 and run /script. You finish by making scripts runnable and automating them if needed. Add a top-line shebang, chmod plus x script. Py and test with /script. Py. If you need scheduled runs, create a systemd service or cron job that uses the full path to the env's Python. If something goes wrong, check which Python is invoked with which Python and Python 3. Make sure your aliases or update alternatives point to Python 3. If permissions or missing modules occur, activate the venv and reinstall dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.